Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off notifications during calls and meetings Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to turn off notifications during calls and meetings Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To turn off notifications during calls and meetings, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Notifications and Activities menu. Now here in the Notifications and Activities menu there are several menu options. Tap the Display menu. Now here several options will appear. Tap on Show Notifications during calls and meetings. This method aims to prevent notifications from appearing during meetings or calls, helping to avoid distractions and maintain focus. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off notifications during calls and meetings Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.